is coming to Madurai, the temple city, and all our cadres and leaders, office bearers are energized because it is the new district president. Under the new district presidents, new office bearers, new mandal presidents, and new Stan presidents. So all are very happy to meet our Honorable Amit Shah ji. And whenever Honorable Amit Shah ji comes, the DMK is jittery. The day the announcement of our Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji's arrival, they started telling, we are not afraid of any Shah. We are not afraid. Not afraid, not afraid. Continuously they are telling, they are afraid. So we are, the misgovernance of the DMK should come to an end. So for that we all ready to work hard, and our Honorable Amit Shah ji's arrival will help us to fight the political challenges in Tamil Nadu, and his guidance will help us to fight the elections very successfully in 2026. The Lord Murugan conference, which is going to be held on 22nd in Madurai, again the HRC minister Segar Babu again started his words challenging only why BJP is conducting Murugan conference. We are asking, when you can conduct conference, who don't believe in the Sanatan Dharma. We are following the Sanatan Dharma and Tamil God, and we are following the sentiments of Tamil people. So we have all right to conduct this conference. But the DMK is discriminating because the Chief Minister doesn't wish for any of our Tamil people or for Tamil festivals. So that itself shows that discriminating between different religion, and whatever may be the situation, we are happy about the alliance and we will fight the election successfully.